Hey there, folks! Welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, chances are you've got that pesky check engine light staring you down. Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we're diving deep into the 10 possible reasons why your check engine light might be on. So, grab a seat and let's get to the bottom of this. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room. Sometimes, that light can be caused by something as simple as a loose gas cap. Yeah, really. So, tighten it up and give it a few drives to see if it disappears. No harm in trying, right? Alright, reason number 2, oxygen sensor malfunction. This little guy monitors your exhaust gases. When it's not happy, your light might come on. It's usually a straightforward fix, but ignoring it can mess with your fuel efficiency. Nobody wants that. Moving on, we've got the catalytic converter. If it's not doing its job, your emissions might be off the charts, and that's a big no-no. It's not the cheapest fix, but hey, it's all for a greener planet, right? Now, for reason number 4, the mass airflow sensor. This sensor tells your car's computer how much air is coming into the engine. If it's acting up, you might notice a dip in performance. So, take care of this one sooner rather than later. Alright, number 5 in the lineup, the good old spark plugs. These little guys ignite the fuel in your engine, and if they're worn out, well, your engine's not gonna be too happy. Plus, you might experience some rough idling. Let's keep that ride smooth, shall we? Reason number 6, the exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, valve. It helps reduce emissions, but if it's clogged or malfunctioning, it could lead to poor performance and increased fuel consumption. Don't worry, though, a quick clean can often do the trick. Lucky number 7. The dreaded check engine light can also be a sign of a failing battery or charging system. It might seem unrelated, but electrical issues can throw all sorts of warning lights your way. So, get that battery checked ASAP. Reason 8. A faulty thermostat. If your engine isn't reaching its optimal temperature, it can affect performance and fuel efficiency. Nobody likes an engine that's too hot or too cold, right? Let's aim for that Goldilocks zone. Penultimate reason, number 9, the ignition coil. It's responsible for sending power to your spark plugs, so if it's acting up, you might experience misfires or a lack of power. Not fun when you're trying to hit the road with some pep. And finally, number 10, the good old check engine light itself. Yeah, you heard me right. Sometimes, the light might just be on due to a glitch in the system. Weird, huh? In these cases, a simple reset might be all it takes. So there you have it, folks, 10 possible reasons why your check engine light might be on. Remember, while some issues might be minor, it's always a good idea to get things checked out to prevent bigger problems down the road. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest car tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, drive safe and keep those engines purring. Camera fades out with the host waving goodbye.